Hey there, friend. Today, we're taking a look at something genuinely impressive. This is the Yinker 15.6-inch portable monitor, and honestly, it feels premium the moment you power it on. You're getting a 15.6-inch full HD 1080p display. It's sharp, it's colorful, and it looks fantastic from edge to edge. I tested this monitor with multiple devices: the Super Nintendo Mini, the Nintendo Switch, a laptop, an iPad, every single one connected flawlessly. No capture card, no adapters, no nightmare. Just plug it in and away you go. You got HDMI and USB-C connectivity. In the included case, it doubles as a multi-position stand. This thing, it makes an incredibly compact and complete setup. So whether you're gaming, working, traveling, or you just need a second screen anywhere you go, let's see how the Yinker 15.6-inch portable monitor performs in the real world.
Wow, thank you so much to Yinker for once again partnering with me on the channel, and this time sending over their 15.6-inch portable monitor. So as you can see, this is fresh out the package. We're gonna check this out together. Okay, we got a little, smooth unboxing. I like that. We don't have to fight with the package. Clearly found inside, we've got the user manual for the ZQ14 or 15. This is clearly the 15. And inside, straight away, no fuss, no muss. Got the panel here. We'll just quickly take a look at what accessories come along with it. Okay, so some kind of cable here. This is, well, that's like, it's either mini or micro HDMI. I'm not 100% sure which, but we'll find that out. Okay, this is some kind of USB, USB-C to USB-C. And these look like nice quality cables. I mean, this is looking thick, looking strong. Very, very nice. Okay, so that's good. And then we've got our power adapter here. I love how they've got the orange inside there. That's just a nice little styling touch. And inside here, we've got USB-A to USB-C. Once again, with the colored USB-C, the little purple touch there. I like that. I think that's fun. I think that's nice. I'm just going to flip the box over just to give me something to put this on. Let's open it up. Ooh, okay. All right. This already feels nice. I want to get it. Oh, boy. Okay. Okay. All right. This is really nice. And I think, yeah, look at that. Oh, my gosh. Okay, so it comes with a stand built right into it. Looks like it's got two very straightforward and easily used viewing angles. Let's just zoom that out so you can get a better view. Yeah, look at that. Very, very nice. Okay. Okay, so that's looking good. Looking very, very nice. Wow, okay, so far I think that the design of this is really nice, really compact. Having its own kind of like carrying case that converts into a stand is already such a well thought out design. And if I look inside it here, oh, it looks like there's some speakers. Oh, okay, that comes off there. So keep that in mind. That is, that's magnetic. Very, very nice. There is some speakers under there, so we're gonna pop that off just to have a little look and see. There's some speakers on the back. Okay, this is 1920 by 1080. You can see that up on here. Got the little bit of information for you. Now, maybe that's a couple of speakers underneath here, or some kind of vents, or maybe those are vents in the back and these are speakers. That I'm not 100% sure. On the side here, we've got, looks like power, some kind of menu, and then we've got a headphone jack. Okay, so that sounds good. And then we've got our power input here, clearly labeled, the Type-C, and now the HDMI, the little mini one, is making sense because of course that's what's going to connect to the monitor, and this is going to connect out to your device. So I think it's very, very nice. So try to keep my fingers off it. Hey, how's it going? Hello, hello. And I mean, honestly, it feels great in the hand. It's nice and stiff. It's got a tiny little bit of flex, but it doesn't feel like overly fragile or anything like that. I love the magnets on the top. I think that's a really nice touch. It's portable. You can pack it up right quick. You know, maybe you're working somewhere in a library, a cafe, some kind of small shared office space, something like that. Allows you to set it up quickly, take it down. So you've got multi-monitor display, maybe with your laptop, or all sorts of different options here. I'm going to try to test a few different things, see what I can get to work with it, and we'll give us our impressions of how it looks and what the display is like. Okay, so I got the Yinker monitor, the 15.6 inch here, set up on the desk. I've got my little Super Nintendo Mini, which is a regular HDMI output device. I got that powered up, the controller, and I've got the monitor powered up. Now, I haven't plugged in the monitor cable yet. Thought we'd give it a test, and let's just see if the first device here works. Now, the monitor did have a blue no, so the power button on the side here. Just turn that on. All right, wow, okay. So right away, picks up the signal. I can hear the sound coming out of the bottom here. Okay, very, very nice so far. Wow, like my first impression, it looks really, really good. Let's get you kind of closer here. Give you a little bit better idea of what I can see here. Now, obviously, I'll try some gameplay in a minute, but I just want to check and see like the menu, the volume. Okay, so there's a little rocker. I can turn that down, turn that up. Let's see how. Okay, sounds fine. I mean, exactly for what I'm doing here. I don't need it too loud though, but that's good. Now, if I push, yeah. Okay. So if I push the button, you get a little on-screen display here, and it's got different modes. Oh, there we go. Movie mode. I like that. Text mode, standard. Game mode, which is probably better for what I'm doing, but I mean, I think the movie mode, I like the brightness, it just kind of looks good. So just take this back to the main screen here. Oh, hang on, I took this into the game. Stand by. All right, I just want to look at the menu here a little bit. All right, so yeah, so push in the little button, and then, okay, so we got aspect ratio. If I push it, let's see what we got here. Okay, hang on. So we got brightness, contrast, eco mode, DCR, HDR. Okay. Let me push. Sorry, I'm just learning how it works. It's not the most straight. There we go. Push it in. Okay. Takes us into selecting it. Yeah. How do I scroll down? Push that again. Oh, okay. So you kind of push in the little button, then use this top button to select it. I just want to see what the HDR. This obviously isn't like a high-end HDR device. I'm gonna move it down. Color temperature. Okay, I mean, honestly, this little control isn't the easiest to operate. Type-C, HDMI. Okay, well, I'm plugged into the HDMI, so that should clearly not be the right one. Low blue light, which is nice. Volume here. It's got FreeSync. Wow, I was not expecting that. That is pretty cool. That's like, oh, there we go. Okay, so then select it, deselect it, move up and down. Okay, so once you get used to it, it's just like a two-finger control here. If I select that, I can turn FreeSync off and on, and then click the button and back up and down. Okay, that's not bad. And then, oh, okay, I see how to control it. So really, like, lots of great options you would expect out of a larger, more full-featured monitor. This is really impressive off the bat. And I have to say, like, this isn't the most high-end device. I'm going to try it with the Nintendo Switch. I'll connect it to the laptop. But just like straight away, we'll just get a rough idea of how it feels like in the game. And right away, though, like my first impression here is really, really good. Like it's sharp, it's crisp. Hopefully you can see like the colors look very, very clean. And the resolution is crispy. Like this is absolutely 1080p. There's no fooling around here. This looks really, really good. And of course, we got the old school aspect ratio here, but that's just the content that I'm, sending to it. That's why I want to put, some full widescreen, proper widescreen into it. But I mean, yeah, this looks and feels absolutely on point. Oh no, okay, I don't want to do something super embarrassing on the video because all right, I mean, I'm not going to sit here and just keep playing this game, but it looks good. It feels good. I am very, very, very happy with my very first impression here. The color looks absolutely beautiful. And, honestly, like that that to me is really important. And like the so crisp looking. I don't know how much the camera is going to pick that up, but you can see the colors, particularly in the Super Mario world here. It's got the reds, it's got the greens, it's got the blues, yellows. Everything is looking absolutely spot on. Very, very nice. Wow. Okay, I'll check out the other devices and we'll just get an idea about the full, the full experience. I honestly wasn't even planning on testing the iPad because, just to make it work with my computer for my regular uses, I have to use a capture card and it's sort of like a big pain in the butt. But I thought, hey, you know what? It's got the Type-C mode. Let's connect it. Let's see what happens. Let's see if this cute, fantastic Yinker monitor can pick up the iPad. And just like that, in Type-C mode, this thing works absolutely flawlessly. So, I have absolutely no complaints at this point. It seems to work with everything I throw at it. It's got the iPad working. It's got the game consoles. I don't know what else you could use. I got it connected to the laptop and it is good to go. So if you've got a Type-C device, if you've got the HDMI device and you're looking for some portability to expand your current display setup, I think you should seriously give this a look. It's got, honestly, like way more features than I thought was even possible. And wow, thank you so much, Yinker, for sending this over to me. All right, so I'm going to connect a laptop to it, and I'm going to see if it like mirrors the display or extends it onto like a larger desktop type of thing. Get an idea how that works out. But overall, if you want to do some just kind of like gaming on the road or something like that, this is going to be more than enough. It gets the job done. Look how nice it looks. I'm really, really happy with this thing, and I'm very thankful to be able to test it out. Okay, I'm officially in love with this display. I don't know if you can quite see the mouse. It's just over Charlie's bicep on the Yinker monitor. And right over onto the laptop here. Of course, I had to just use the Windows display settings just to let it know that I didn't want it to mirror the display. This works exactly as you hope it might, and it is beautiful. I can see myself sitting down in the library, the cafe, a little shared workspace, and just getting work done right away. It plugged in, it worked flawlessly. Obviously, we've talked about the display settings. You could make it more or less bright. You can do with it what you will, but this is exactly everything I would like to see. We'll open up a browser here and, you can just get to work, or you could open up whatever it is that you like. This is fantastic. I am so very happy with this. So Yinker, you guys have knocked it out of the park with this product. It is compact. It is easy to use. It looks good. It feels good. I could not be happier with this thing. I honestly wasn't even planning on testing the iPad because, just to make it work with my computer for my regular uses, I have to use a capture card and it's sort of like a big pain in the butt. But I thought, hey, you know what? It's got the Type-C mode. Let's connect it. Let's see what happens. Let's see if this cute, fantastic Yinker monitor can pick up the iPad. And just like that, in Type-C mode, this thing works absolutely flawlessly. So, I have absolutely no complaints at this point. It seems to work with everything I throw at it. It's got the iPad working. It's got the game consoles. I don't know what else you could use. I got it connected to the laptop and it is good to go. So if you've got a Type-C device, if you've got the HDMI device and you're looking for some portability to expand your current display setup, I think you should seriously give this a look. It's got, honestly, like way more features than I thought was even possible. And wow, thank you so much, Yinker, for sending this over to me.
All right, friend, let's wrap this up. The Yinker 15.6 inch portable monitor genuinely surprised me. The display quality is crisp and vibrant. 1080p looks excellent at this size, and everything I connected, it worked exactly as it should. The HDMI was flawless. The USB-C was flawless. Consoles, laptops, tablets, no issues at all. The case doubling as a stand, I'd say it's a huge win. Multiple viewing angles, no extra accessories, just a clean, compact, all-in-one solution. If you're looking for a portable monitor that feels premium, that's easy to use, easy to travel with, and it just works, this one absolutely deserves your attention. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more honest, real-world, tested reviews. And as always, thank you so much for watching.